Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel láti iléeṣẹ́ wa Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel náà ni mo ti ń kí n káàbọ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníbàárà wa tí ẹ bá wo àwọn fídíò wa ní ọlọ́kan-ò-jọ̀kan. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bí ẹ tún ṣe ń bá wa wò tí ẹ like àwọn fídíò tí ẹ tún comment sí abẹ́ àwọn fọ́nrán fídíò tí à ń gbé jáde. Torí pé tí ò bá sí ẹ̀yin ni kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel. Fọ́nrán fídíò tí a mú wá fún ìgbádùn yín lónìí òun náà ni ti gbajúgbajà òṣèré oní tíátà ní tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Káyọ̀dé Ọlásẹ́yìndé tí ìnagijẹ wọn jẹ́ Bàbá Ajírébi. Àtúmọ̀ wọn sí Pa James nínú eré Papa Ajasco. Nínú fídíò yìí ni Bàbá Ajírébi ti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi fún àdúrótì wọn, pàápàá jùlọ nígbà tí omi ya ilé wọn tí ó sì bà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ dúkìá wọn jẹ́. Bàbá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé fún àtìlẹ́yìn tí ó ṣe fún wọn. Níbẹ̀ náà ni bàbá tún bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu ìròyìn ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ èyí tó ń jà ròyìnròyìn pé Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé fún Bàbá Ajírébi ní ilé. Bàbá ní pé rárá o, pé Fúnkẹ́ ò fún àwọn ní ilé o, pé Fúnkẹ́ fún àwọn ní owó láti lọ gba ilé tuntun ni. Bàbá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Tóyìn Àyèmàkù pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀ Tóyìn Abrahams. Wọ́n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ibrahim Chatta, Fathia Williams. Wọ́n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Kìkì Afọláyan. Wọ́n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Kẹ́mi Kóredé. Pàápàá jùlọ ìdí ọpẹ́ wọn pàtàkì tún lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Kúnlé Afọ́d. Wọ́n sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá fún oore ńlá tí wọ́n ṣe fún wọn àti àwọn tí wọ́n tún fún wọn ní dúkìá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ìgbésí ayé tàbí ká wo ìtàn díẹ̀ ìtàn Bàbá Ajírébi bí wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tíátà. Bàbá Ajírébi èyí tí a tún mọ̀ sí Pa James, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tíátà ní 1976 ní abẹ́ ọ̀gá wọn tí ó ti di olóògbé Ọlárewájú Àlè, tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tíátà lọ́dọ̀ wọn ní ìlú Èkó. Bàbá Ajírébi tún jẹ́ èèyàn kan tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ ní iléeṣẹ́ UTC Hardware ní Àpápá nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe lébìrà ní iléeṣẹ́ náà. Bàbá náà tún dọ́gbọ́n kọrin díẹ̀díẹ̀. Nígbà tó yá ni bàbá tẹ̀síwájú tí wọ́n darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú Ẹmúlẹ́wù Theatre Group ní 1982. Níbẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti fún bàbá ní orúkọ Ajírébi. Iṣẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí bàbá kọ́kọ́ ṣe òun náà ni Ẹnu Ọpẹ́, ìyẹn ní ọdún 2001. Bàbá wa di gbajúgbajà nígbà tí wọ́n darapọ̀ mọ́ Wálé Adénúgà. Níbẹ̀ ni Wálé Adénúgà ti fún wọn ní orúkọ Pa James tí ó wá di gbajúgbajà tí gbogbo ayé gba orúkọ náà tí wọ́n fi mọ̀ wọ́n sí Pa James nínú Papa Ajasco. Nínú fídíò yìí náà ni gbajúgbajà òṣèré onítíátà èyí tí wọ́n fi ìlú Amẹ́ríkà ṣe ibùgbé, ìyẹn Ṣeun Jímọ̀, ti bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà nípa kí wọ́n máa sọ wípé àwọn onítíátà wọn kì í ran ara wọn ní ọwọ́. Wọ́n ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí ni ìwọ ṣe fún àwọn òṣèré onítíátà tó. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tí ẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ iléeṣẹ́ wa Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel. Mo bẹ̀ yín, mo rọ̀ yín pé kí ẹ bá wa subscribe sí channel wa, ìyẹn Ìbílẹ̀ Yorùbá TV channel. Tẹ́ bá wa subscribe tán, ẹ bá wa click lórí bell notification icon. Eléyìí máa jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ gbogbo ìgbà tí a bá gbé fọ́nrán fídíò mi jáde. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa fi èyí ṣe ìlọ́nà. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba mi, ẹ̀yin ò máa bá èmi náà lẹ́mọ̀ àrí nǹkan oníṣe mi, nǹkan oníṣe ní kankan wá. Ó dàbọ̀, ó dìgbà kan náà. Bye bye.
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú yín. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì yín. Ní orúkọ Jésù ẹ ní dààmú. Ẹ ní dààmú lórí aya, ẹ ní dààmú lórí ọmọ, ẹ ní dààmú lórí ọkọ. Gbogbo tó jẹ́ ti yín Ọlọ́run á fi yín lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ gidigidi gan. Mo dúpẹ́ gidi gan. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Àfọ́dù mi ò mọ̀ pé ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n ní èèyàn lásán èèyàn. Woman being is growth of woman being. Èèyàn lásán èèyàn o. Ọlọ́run nígbà tọ́rọ̀ yìí délẹ̀ báyìí mo wá ń wo gbogbo àwọn fans. I don't know that we have fans like this. N ò mọ̀ bí a ti ẹ̀ ní àfa. Mo wá tún lò lọ́kàn pé are these people are fans or they are ọmọ ìyá or ọmọ bàbá.
Ọmọ ìyá wa ni wọ́n.
Ọmọ ìyá wa ìyá ọmọ ìyá wa. In fact you prove it.
Àwọn òṣèré ń kọ́.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo òṣèré pátápátá. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Sórí tí mo tẹ̀ tún wá rò ní pé àwọn èèyàn yìí ni wọ́n ṣe ilé yìí lójú ayé mi nígbà tí mo wà láyé. Lójú ayé mi tó mo bá kú gan-an Ọlọ́run ọba ọmọ tóbi o. Gbogbo àwọn tọ́rọ̀ mi ó dùn lé o. tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń dìde tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fún mi báyìí ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú yẹn
tí ẹ ní kú báyìí.
lágbára ọlọ́run gbogbo wò ní kúkú ya ní kúkú ya kí ni ìfẹ́ pa mi tán ó fẹ́ràn láìsí bí wọn bá. mo dúpẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo òṣèré pátápátá impress mi o ọlọ́run ẹ jọ mi lójú torí pé nígbà tí kìnìún máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí àfọ́ọ̀dù rí tó gbé òun ló jẹ́ káwọn míì mọ̀ pé yes kìnìún yìí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ gbé sí gbogbo ayé wọ́n rí mo wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo òṣèré mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ó gbìyànjú Fúnkẹ́ ṣe o ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kinní kan fún wa lójú gbogbo ayé ni mo wà yìí mi ò ní parọ́ ó ṣe ó dùn mọ́ mi ó dẹ̀ wú mi lórí dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi tí mo wá ń gbọ́ káàkiri pẹ̀lú bọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀ bó ṣe gbìyànjú tó náà àwọn kan wá lọ gbé tábàtì á ṣe wọ́n ní Fúnkẹ́ ó ra lé fún mi Fúnkẹ́ kọ́lé mo ti kó lọ síbẹ̀ nǹkan kan tẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ lónìí mo bá lọ sí ibì kan mo bá ń bọ̀ lọ́nà abúlé ẹ̀gbà àwọn home boys èmi ò ní pè wọ́n lọ́mọ̀ta àwọn ọmọ home boys ẹ bá ní bàbá ajílẹ̀ bíi à ń bọ̀ nílé yẹn o ilé tí Fúnkẹ́ rà fún yín à ń bọ̀ ń bẹ̀ o èmi mo wá ń sọ fún gbogbo wa lónìí Fúnkẹ́ kúra lé fún mi o Fúnkẹ́ kì í ṣe pé ó kọ́lé ó gbé mi sínú ẹ̀ nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí délẹ̀ àfọ́ọ̀dù tó léǹkì ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó jẹ́ kí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé kó mọ̀ pé nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ń sí i a wá rò pé kí làwọn lè fi ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ní Fúnkẹ́ wá ní bàbá Ajírébi kí n kúrò níbi tí omi ti ń dà mí láàmú yẹn torí kíní yẹn ó máa ń jẹ́ kí bp mi kó ráì tí mo máa ń sì ó wá ní kí n kúrò ńbẹ̀ ẹni tó bá ní kéèyàn rẹ̀ kúrò yóò sábà nǹkan kan fún mi ló bá ní kí n lọ try ilé tí màá rẹ́ǹtì títí tí òjò yìí tó máa fi dá tọ́lọ̀ àbíjọ ìgbẹ́bí pé kí n kó kúrò ńbẹ̀ wọ́n á ní báwo la ṣe máa ṣe ó wá ní kí n lọ wá ilé yẹn kí n sọ iye tí n bá máa rí sí gbà tí mo dẹ̀ rí ilé lóòótọ́ mo sọ fún pé iye báyìí ni ó dẹ̀ mú owó yẹn ó dẹ̀ kó fún mi ó gbìyànjú ó ní kí n fi rẹ́ǹtì ilé tó o bó ti wá sọ làwọn èèyàn sọ pé ó ra lé ó ti gbé mi síbẹ̀ ó ti ṣe kíní.
bàbá tó tiẹ̀ tó yẹ àwọn ayé á sọ̀rọ̀ náà tẹ́lẹ̀.
wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀.
Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
mo dúpẹ́.
Fúnkẹ́ gbìyànjú.
mo dúpẹ́.
àwọn òṣèré mi náà gbìyànjú. mo dúpẹ́. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Tóyìn Ayémakù àwọn náà gbìyànjú.
Tóyìn Ayémakù àtọkọ ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n gbìyànjú. Òkìkí Afọláyàn àtìyàwó ẹ̀ wọ́n gbìyànjú. Ibrahim Chatta ó gbìyànjú. Fathia Williams Kẹ́mi Kórèdé Nítorí Ọlá àtọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn míì tá a lè máa dárúkọ gbogbo wọn tán wọ́n gbìyànjú ẹlòmíì gan an ní ká má dárúkọ òun ẹ wá wo àwọn fans wa ẹ ṣe gan àgbà náà ni wo owó yín láyé ibi tẹ́ ti mu Ọlọ́run máa fi ìlọ́po rọ́pò.
mo dẹ́ sọ pé àbùdí èèbọ̀dì oṣànà àbùdí nítolókun àbùdí èèbọ̀dì Laguna àbùdí nítọlọ́sà
ti lagoon bẹ́ẹ̀ni òní Laguna ocean and ocean.
God will to your anything Ọlọ́run bùkún yín.
ibi táwa ti ń rí kọ́mẹ́dì yẹn nìyẹn God will boot to your everything. ẹ ṣe gan tí wọ́n bá ti wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn náà ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ bá tún sì lè ṣe láti fi tún jẹ́ kí everything tún balance tán torí àwọn property tán bá fún wọn náà torí àwọn èèyàn kan fẹ́ fún wọn properties ní parọ́ fún yín àti máa develop ẹ̀ tó wọ́n máa kúrò ń bẹ̀ yẹn.
àwọn kan sọ wọ́n ní àfi tọrọ bára àfi tọrọ bára
ntọ́bárí
kan nígbà tó mi ti ń gbé mi lọ́bẹ̀ sí mo lẹ́ni tọrọ eléyìí tí àfọwọ́sí wa gbé síta.
Yo, what's up everybody, what's going on? This video I'm about to make is so hard for me to make, but I'm gonna make it because it's high time someone said something about this rubbish going on in this fucking country called Nigeria and the fucking entitled people that are all over the fucking place acting fucking stupid. I saw a video of Baba Ajirebi's house on the water, you know, and people are calling out for help, you know, and support and nice gesture, but then I see stupid people all over the place saying, oh, Nollywood doesn't help each other. Nollywood don't help each other. Nollywood actors don't help each other. All they want to do is show up. You people should fucking shut your fucking traps. Because if someone is not, if everybody's just looking at you fucking stupid people, you won't know what you're doing that is wrong. Number one, you guys are the reason Baba Ajirebi is in that position. You guys and your fucking government are the reason Baba Ajirebi is in the fucking position he is in right now. Now, why do I say that? You people that are quick to call actresses prostitutes, That when an actress buys a car, you're quick to say, oh, she fucked everybody before she bought it. She's fucking Ambode. She's fucking Dino Melaye. She's fucking this, she's fucking that. You people are the same people asking that fucking stupid actress to take the money she got from fucking everybody with her own fucking pussy and go and be helping other fucking people, right? When you people are there, you never buy movies, you're always watching pirated fucking movies, you're always looking for free stuff, you never contribute anything to the artist's well-being. Only a few fucking people in Nigeria actually patronize the arts. A few people. How many percentage of people go to the cinemas? A fucking few. Everybody wants to go to YouTube and watch free movies. Free movies that they will still advertise. They'll spend so much money on. You still come and criticize. They're doing rubbish. They're doing this. They're doing that. You now come and say, God. You see an actor that doesn't have a car. You curse him. What is he doing that he doesn't have a car? Because you're not buying his fucking movies. Balaji Rebi is there because you're not buying these fucking movies. Because you'd rather go and buy fake movies. You'd rather go and buy pirated copies than buy original copies. And so you are the reason Balaji Rebi is in that position. Not Iyabo Ojo, not Yomi Fabiyi, not me, not Ramsey Noah, not Desmond Elliott. Anybody that does anybody for anybody in the industry is just doing it out of goodwill. You people should stop this fucking rubbish of saying Nollywood people are not helping each other. Are you fucking helping us? Are you people helping Nollywood? No! You are not helping Nollywood. Only when people make movies that are almost 50 million naira with millions of advertisement is only when the time you people watch. You will still find a way to pass out Ayomakun. Hey, he did rubbish. He did after people die and slay themselves for you just to satisfy Nigerians every fucking day. Yet, he's only cursed. He's only abused. Yeah, you'll be calling as your own celebrities. You'll be calling them British. Where is that done? The other day I was talking, we were talking about Davido. People are saying Tekashi 69 is better than Davido. Where? How? When did he start singing? You don't appreciate your own stuff. You just want to run them down. You just want to run your actors down. You just want to call your actresses prostitutes. And you're not contributing any fucking thing to their lives. But to say they're not helping each other, they are showing off. You to go and show off. Help us so that we can help ourselves. Tell your government. Tell Buhari to stop piracy. Baba Jirebi will not have to live in that fucking slum. Tell Buhari to work in privacy. Tell the minister of whatever is in charge of. You people should get your fucking acts together. Nigerians, we don't appreciate ourselves, and it's fucking sad. I'm tired of this shit. You sit on your fucking aisles and be saying, Nollywood help each other. What the fuck? Everybody's got their own fucking family. Do you know how people get their fucking money? You don't fucking buy the fucking movies, man. How many movies do you fucking watch? You're there. If you've ever bought a pirated movie and you cross celebrities that they are not helping each other, God will punish you. If you've ever bought a pirated movie or a pirated anything and you sit on your fucking aisles and you say celebrities don't help each other, God will judge you people. Quick to lay blames. Blame everybody but yourself. On this video, everybody that supports Nollywood, God will support you, God will bless you. But if you are there and all you want to do is rubbish Nollywood and bring Nollywood down, God will judge you. You are the reason why people are suffering. You are the reason why everybody is running to other countries. And you will be there saying, somebody will give back. They say, give back to America. Everybody's running to America. Don't you want to fucking go to America? Do you like the fucking Nigeria that you're fucking living in? You want celebrities to be begging money from you so that you can be ridiculing them and say, you know now we give them that shoe away. It's not going to fucking happen. Trust me. Those veterans, I feel sorry for them. But you see, we people, it's not going to fucking happen. You guys are going to be there for life and we're going to keep making money and you will never know how we're doing it because you guys are fucking wicked. All you want to hear is bad news about people. If Baba Jirebi's situation really concerns you, do something about it. Talk to your fucking government and stop buying fucking pirated movies. This video is not for everybody. If you're a good person, this video is not for you. God will bless you. But if you're one of those stupid people that is always calling people British, you're always ridiculing people, and you have not done anything. You don't offer anything to Nollywood. You don't even offer anything to Nigeria. You cannot even offer anything to your fucking family. And you're there with cheap fucking data, even if it's expensive for whatever the fuck you're using. Some of you will come and say, I don't watch Nollywood. They are always doing rubbish. God will punish you. If you're saying that rubbish, God will punish you because I know how much work. People will make movies with millions of naira. They won't make profit. They will still make another one to fucking make you people happy. And you still be there talking shit. You are the reason Baba Jirebi is homeless. You are the reason that woman is sick. How many people do people want to help? People have their own children. They have their own family. You think I don't have my own family? You think people don't need money in my family? I have a fucking large family. You think people don't need help? So I'll carry money that I'm supposed to give my mom or my dad or my cousin or my uncle or my aunt. I'll go and dash somebody. Are you fucking joking? If you want Nollywood to help each other, help Nollywood. Bye!